guys to our next
Video na ka-boring.
boring. Alright, today guys, so naami challenge, another video. Ang among challenge today is addition challenge. So tagaan ako og question si ate and i-test na to if maka-answer si ate yung correct answer. Are you ready, ate?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Room,
sit down properly. First question. 1 plus 1.
2.
Are you sure? Very good. 1 point. Kung maka 5 points ka, surprise ni daddy. Okay? Okay, next. 2 plus 2.
4.
Ayaw dong! Huwag na dong! Okay, 2 points. Next. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4.
Count sa imong fingers.
4 plus 4.
1, 2, 8. Yay! 3 points ay ate. Next. So pila na ka points? 3 points na ka. So 2 na lang kulang. Sige. Next. Hard. 4 plus 5.
Imong fingers na.
4 plus 5. 4. Pila mo na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9!
Yay! Good job, ate! Yay! Next. 4 points! So, last question. So, simple lang. Okay, last question. Kani. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2.
6 plus
6.
2. 6
Dungagag duha.
2.
Plus 2. Kuag duha. Tag duha.
Anak. 6.
Pila na?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8.
Are you sure? Final answer.
Okay.
Final answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Are you sure? Again. Count again. 6 plus 2. Taro nga. La, final question. 5 na imong points. So, nakay surprise ni daddy. Taro nga pang answer. 6 plus 2. Sige, count again. 6. 5 na daan na. 5. Butay 1. 6 plus 2. Ipunin mo na. Pila na tanan. Kani. Pila na tanan. Open na. Pila na tanan. So, 5. Kasi sunod sa 5.
2.
Kasi sunod sa 5. 5.
5. Ngayon. Sige.
6.
6, 7, 8.
Pila answer?
8.
Yay! 5 points si ate!
Where's the present?
Good job!
Where's the present?
Our present is your winner prize is a key! Yay! Good job, ate!